Good morning, Don Pedro School, and welcome to DP Live. I hope everyone is doing great today. As you guys know, Miss Gloria is joining us, and we also have DP Leadership 1 and Leadership 2 coming at you as well. Thank you guys so much. I'm loving your pets. Let's talk about it. Leadership 2, what kind of pet do you have?
I have a Chihuahua.
Excellent. And the name?
Tula.
Love it. I love it. And DP Leadership 2, we have our old faithful, one, we have seen him a few times. Adorable, adorable. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going to start sharing the screen with you guys, and we are going to get right to work. Here we go. All right, so for those of you at home or in class, it is now time to do the Pledge of Allegiance. So if everyone could please stand. I do have the flag this time. And right hand over your heart. Ready, salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, so we have a few announcements, you know, the usual announcements, wear blue on Friday, but what's really exciting is next week is Dr. Seuss week. So every day we're going to have a dress up day, and your teachers will know what days those are. And I hope that you guys dress up. And for those of you that do decide to dress up each day, you will receive extra hero points for participating in our Spirit Week. I'm really excited about this. So I'm hoping a lot of you do this. Okay, let's get on to Miss Gloria's section.
Empathy, friends. It's our last week of empathy. So show empathy. Treat others the way you want to be treated. But with that said, I want to hear from my friends. So who wants to go first? Leadership 1 or Leadership 2? Who's willing to share? Who's brave enough to share? What does empathy mean to you, and how does that even look to you?
What empathy means to me is that if somebody's upset or they're like feeling sad, you can go up to them and ask if everything's okay.
Love it. That's awesome. Thank you for that.
Leadership 1, you want to go? Want to give it a try?
Yeah, I think empathy means that, so if you have a brother or sister and it's their time to play video games or play with sport, you should let them and like respect their time to play also, and share with them.
Yes. I like how you said respect their time, because it's true, especially with siblings. I never think about, when I think of empathy, I think about friends, I think about being kind, right? But when that example, Robert, Leadership 1, you're right, respecting that, because sometimes with siblings, it's like, oh, come on, 10 more minutes. Oh, come on, I'm almost done with this one. And 20 minutes later, and we're still playing and we're not respecting their time. So you're right, especially if our siblings earned it, or maybe it's just their turn or something. Awesome. You guys are awesome. Thank you for being brave enough and sharing courage and sharing with us. Amazing.
Loved it. Loved it. Okay, we're on to joke of the day. Hey, there were some really great jokes this past week, Miss Gloria. Really great jokes. Did you have one you wanted to share?
I didn't update a new one, but no, there were so many. There's a lot of them too.
There were so many great ones. So you guys out there, if you submitted a joke of the day, and it was an appropriate, very important that it's appropriate joke of the day, you will receive extra hero points. Miss Gloria sends me everybody's names, and I give you guys extra hero points. And for moving forward, if you have a joke of the day that you would like to share with us and it's appropriate for everyone to hear, please submit it on the Google Classroom. Right here is the link. Please use that link and submit your appropriate joke so you can earn some extra hero points as well. Okay, we do have a few birthdays, not as many as last week, but that's okay. Let's get into this link really quick. And we will go through birthdays. If we missed your birthday, we are super sorry. We had a break this week. So I am hoping, though, that we will catch everybody's birthdays next month. And if we missed it, we'll go through it again. So here we go.
Noah H, Noah G, Priyanka C, Jasmine C, Fernando C, Daniel W, Joelle C. Happy birthday to every single one of you.
Happy birthday. Hope you guys enjoy your special day. Okay, now this was a special request. A lot of the kids came to me and said, Ms. Mitchell, we haven't done this in so long and we miss doing this song. So like I say to you at the end of everything, we are doing a lot of sitting. We are not out playing and running around as much as we used to. So we need to make sure that we always get in our extra activity. And this is what we're going to do. Oh, the link isn't working. Oh, that's a bummer. Okay, well, the link isn't working, guys. So we're going to skip the movement song this week. You guys figure out a song on your own. And hopefully next week I'll have this up and running better. But as we end, let me stop sharing the screen. I just wanted to welcome Leadership 2 to the team. I'm so excited to have you on DP Live with us. And to all of our other leadership kids out there watching, if you're wanting to be on DP Live, let Miss Gloria or myself know so we can get you on as well. We'd like to have all of our leadership kids on. But as we end, we always end the same way. What are we going to do today?
Fly high with Dolphin Pride.
That's right. Fly high with Dolphin Pride, friends. We'll see you later.